Do you know every name carries a meaning and power? The book of Daniel chapter 1 verse 7, talk of 4 men, who their names were changed, after being taken captive by King Nebuchadnezzar. Daniel was changed to Belteshazzar, Hananiah to Shadrach, Mishael to Meshach, and Azariah to Abed-nego. Daniel signifies God is my judge. This name they changed into Belteshazzar, in Chaldee, the treasure of Bel, or the dispository of the secrets, or treasure, of Bel. Hananiah signifies, the Lord has been gracious to me, or he to whom the Lord is gracious. This name was changed into Shadrach, Chaldee, which has been variously translated, the inspiration of the sun, God the author of evil, be propitious to us, let God preserve us from evil. Mishael signifies he who comes from God. Him they called Meshach, which in Chaldee signifies, he who belongs to the goddess Sheshach, a celebrated deity of the Babylonians, mentioned by Jeremiah in Jeremiah 25 verse 26. Azariah, which signifies the Lord is my helper, they changed into Abed-nego, which in Chaldee, is the servant of Nego, who was one of their divinities, by which they meant either the sun, or the morning star, whether Jupiter or Venus. The change of names was done, so that they might altogether forget their religion. For the Jews gave their children names which might always put them in remembrance of some point of religion. However, these men were deeply rooted in faith, that nothing could make them turn away from what they believed. Lion's Den could not change Daniel's mind from putting his trust in the Lord Jehovah God. Shadrach, Meshach and Abed-nego also showed no fear of the burning fiery furnace that was prepared for anyone who does not serve the king's gods or worship the gold image. Any name that people call you may have power over your life, but this depends with how deep you are in faith. Jabez knew the secret, after he realized the meaning of his name. He cried to the one who is above all other names, who after bypassing the power that was carried by his name, blessed him and enlarged his territory. Ignore how people call you, stick to the faith, and remember that, them that know their God shall do exploits. May God bless you.